Okay, so we're back to solving quadratics. This is the third of my 4 videos. So I've got x squared plus 6x minus 40 equals 0. It's the same quadratic formula you've seen me solve twice already if you've looked at the other videos. This video is looking at the quadratic formula. So let's start off with my quadratic formula. My quadratic formula is that x equals minus b plus or minus, and we should be used to that symbol by now, b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now I make no bones when I teach this that I struggled with this as a student, because no one actually said, look at the coefficient in front of x, that is a. Look at the coefficient in front of x, that's b. So I said the wrong thing before, it was x squared coefficient. And look at the coefficient, or the constant at the end, that's c. Now, if someone had said that to me, I'd have gone, right, so looking at this, a equals 1, b equals 6, c equals minus 40. Right, so I've got numbers for a, b and c in this formula. Let's substitute in. X equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 40 all divided by 2 lots of 1. So let's get that right. That's minus 6 plus or minus 36 plus 160 being square rooted divided by 2. So that's minus 6 plus or minus 196 being square rooted divided by 2. So that is, I've run out of space going over there, so I'm going to come over here. X equals minus 6 plus or minus, right, the square root of 196 is 14 divided by 2. So I've got x equals minus 6 minus 14 divided by 2, which is minus 20 divided by 2, which is minus 10. And I've got x equals minus 6 plus 14 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2, which is 4, which are the same numbers we got before. So, just by comparing coefficients and substituting the right number in the right place for my formula, I've managed to solve my quadratic. Now, add to that, you have a graphics calculator that has a quadratic function on it, hopefully, under the equation section, which on the latest version the calculator is under 8, and it's polynomial, and there's 2 degrees because there's a maximum size of quadratic is power 2, and you can type in 1, 6 and minus 40 and tell it to solve that and give you an answer of 4 and minus 10. Now, I don't advocate using the graphics calculator to solve these. The graphics calculator is a tool. I reckon they're going to write the paper so that it's going to be practically useless for you, but I'd be remiss if I didn't teach you it was there. You knowing how to do this by hand, though, is vital. Right, so that's the third of our videos using the formula. We've got one more to go, which is using what is in this formula and using the discriminant and using that to find out what possible values that can be missing are. Next time.